How to enable or disable clip trimming in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, open your project and head straight to the edit page where most of the trimming happens. Look at the toolbar above your timeline and find the trim edit mode icon, which looks like a small blade or razor tool. When you click this icon, you activate clip trimming, allowing you to easily shorten or extend clips by dragging their edges. If you want to disable clip trimming, simply click the selection tool or shortcut A. Another way to toggle clip trimming quickly is by using the shortcut key T on your keyboard. Pressing T turns trimming on and off without having to click the toolbar icon. It's important to note that while trimming is enabled, you can perform ripple, roll, slip, and slide trims directly on clips in the timeline, giving you precise control over your edits. If you want to trim clips but keep your edits non-destructive, enabling trimming is the way to go. Disabling it is helpful when you want to avoid accidental changes during other editing tasks. And that's it. Now you know how to enable or disable clip trimming in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.